Now we study the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now if angle is 0 degree, sine ratio is 0, cos of A, that is for 0 degree, is 1, tan ratio is 0, cot ratio not defined, cosec not defined, secant ratio is 1. If angle is 30 degree, then sine ratio is 1 by 2, cos ratio is root 3 by 2, tan ratio is 1 by root 3, cot ratio root 3, cosec ratio 2, secant ratio 2 by root 3. Similarly, when angle is 45 degree, sine ratio is 1 upon root 2, cos ratio is 1 upon root 2, tan ratio is 1, cot ratio is 1, cosec ratio for 45 degree is root 2, as well as the secant ratio for 45 degree is root 2. When angle is 60 degree, then sine ratio for 60 degree root 3 by 2, cos ratio 1 by 2, tan ratio root 3, cot ratio 1 by root 3, cosec ratio 2 by root 3, and secant ratio equals to 2. When angle is 90 degree, sine ratio for 90 degree is 1, cos ratio of 90 degree is 0, tan ratio of 90 degree is not defined, cot ratio of 90 degree is 0, cosec ratio of 90 degree is 1, and secant ratio for 90 degree is not defined.